Burn Fat Workout for Beginners. Beginner's Workout at Home. In this video, you will learn 6 workout routines that you can do as a beginner to burn fat right from your home. These are exercises that you can do in the beginning until you graduate to more intensive exercises as you get comfortable and gain strength. Do them with healthy and balanced diet to get the most results. Regular exercise that also allows you to burn more calories than you consume is one of the most effective ways to get rid of excess fat. However, if you've mostly enjoyed a sedentary lifestyle, it wouldn't be safe to dive into intense exercise programs right away. The best way to get started is to try a beginner's workout at home. Following are workout routines for beginners who want to exercise to burn fat. Try your best to complete these exercises for 6 days per week, and you won't just be better prepared for more intense workouts, you'll also notice visible results very soon. Burn Fat Workout for Beginners. For this workout, all you need is an exercise or yoga mat. The floor or a towel laid out on your area rug will also work just fine. This is a circuit exercise, which is a collection of different movements meant to increase your heart rate and also target specific muscle groups at a time. Do each movement for the specified number of repetitions. Then, once you're done with the last one, allow yourself a maximum of 30 seconds of rest before repeating the entire circuit. Keep going until you've completed 20 minutes of exercise. Jumping jacks. Stand with your feet together and your arms at your sides. Jump up and part your feet, keeping it wide as you land. Simultaneously, swing your arms so that both hands almost reach each other above your head. Jump up and go back to your starting position. Keep repeating until you have completed 30 reps. Squats. Stand with your feet around shoulder width apart. Lower yourself so that your thighs are parallel to the ground, but your calves are perpendicular to it. Go as low as you can without straining your knees. Hold the position for 2 seconds before coming up to your original position. Repeat until you've completed 10 reps. Backward lunges. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lift your right leg and use it to step back and lower your body. Hold the lowest position for 2 seconds before coming back up to your original position. Repeat until you've done 10 reps. Then repeat the entire exercise using the left leg. Kneeling push-ups. On a mat, get down on all fours. Your feet should be raised while your knees are touching the mat. Your arms should be extended and your palms should be supporting your body at around chest level and close to the shoulders. Slowly bend your elbows to lower your body. Then, harnessing the power from your chest, push your body back up and straighten your arms. Repeat until you've completed 10 reps. Supermans. On a mat, lie on your belly with your arms extended above your head and your legs straightened out. At the same time, lift all 4 limbs off the floor. Hold the top position for 2 seconds before relaxing your muscles and coming back down to your original position. Repeat until you've completed 10 reps. Plank. Start by lying on your belly. Then shift your position so that only your forearms and your toes are touching the mat. This will force you to activate your core muscles. Keep your body stiff and straight for 30 seconds before relaxing. This fat-burning workout for beginners is meant to help you start your fitness journey. Try to push your body, but make sure to do so only within your limits. It's natural to have a difficult time in the beginning. Keep doing what you can and you'll soon notice you're getting stronger. If done consistently, at some point you'll also notice some fat loss that you should use as motivation to work out even more. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.